Unlock the power of secure and effortless document signing with this quick guide to using DocuSign. You'll typically start by receiving an email look for a subject line, indicating there's a document needing your signature. This email is your direct invitation to access and sign the document. Open the email and find the prominent button, often labeled Review Document, or Start Now. Clicking this will take you directly to the DocuSign platform where your document awaits. Once the document loads, you'll see a digital version of it. DocuSign makes it easy by highlighting exactly where you need to take action usually. You'll see a Sign tab or a prompt to click on the designated signature field. Click on the first signature field, a small pop-up window will appear, presenting you with your signing options. You can often type your name, which DocuSign will then convert into a stylish signature, or you can upload your own signature image if preferred. For most users, simply typing your name is the easiest and fastest method as you type. DocuSign provides a real-time preview of how your signature will look. You can often choose from a few different signature styles to match your preference. Once you're happy with the chosen style, click Adopt and Sign, or a similar confirmation button. Your signature will then be securely placed on the document. DocuSign will then guide you to the next field you need to complete, such as your typed name, date, or initials. Continue clicking on each highlighted field and follow the same process for any other required information. When you've completed all the necessary steps, look for the Finish or Submit button, typically located at the top or bottom of the screen. Clicking this finalizes the signing process. Congratulations! You've successfully signed your document electronically using DocuSign. You'll often have the option to download a copy of the fully signed document for your records.